because I'm like I'm on the pedal and it's like barely going.
Yeah. Take us to the road.
I'm going 0 miles an hour, it says. I'm just kidding. I'm going like 12 miles an hour. This is fun. I never knew I'd be driving at the age of 8, but here I am.
You gotta learn sometime.
Yeah, me driving over to you, that was kind of simple. I learned that simple. That was kind of simple.
Just like the golf cart.
And then we're gonna switch seats when we get up there.
Stay in the path.
I am. Am I still in the path?
Yep.
On the brake for a second. I'm gonna go a little faster. This is too
You stay good to the right more. The path is over here, buddy.
Oh, I thought. Oh, well, that was a hole. You want to- I'm gonna tell Mama that you taught me how to drive.
Yep.
Missy from me and Michelle went to drive when she was like 12. And then she stole her dad's truck at 15. Want me to stop right up here?
Yeah. Keep on going. I tell you when to stop.
Oh, God. Stop here?
Yeah, a little more.
Good?
Yeah, this is good. Oh, put it in drive.
Put it in park, you mean?
Yeah, that's what I meant.
I was like, what's drive?
All right.